Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello dear students and welcome back to the online classes of Smart Indian Model School. As I have told you that there are three ways to present the data. Number one is textual representation, number two is tabular representation and number three is graphical or diagrammatic representation of data. And in previous video I have told you about the textual representation of data in detail. Now in this video we will discuss about the tabular representation of data in detail. What is the meaning of tabular representation? Tabular representation means to represent the data in table form, in which there should be columns and rows. So the term is tabulation. What is tabulation? Tabulation is the process of presenting the data in the form of table. Means जब हम डेटा को टेबल की फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द tabulation. और वी कैन से द ऑर्डरली अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डेटा इन कॉलम्स एंड रोज. टेबल्स में बच्चों क्या होता है, रोज होते हैं और कॉलम्स होते हैं. तो अगर हम रोज और कॉलम्स में डेटा को ऑर्डरली अरेंज कर दें, दैट इज कॉल्ड द टेबुलेशन और वी कैन से द टेबुलर रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा. नाउ व्हेन वी मेक द टेबल टू प्रेजेंट द डेटा, then the table should have the following components. What are these components? The very first is table number, title, head note, stubs, captions, body or field, cell, footnotes, source. These are the components of a table. It means a table should have the following components. This is the format of a table. Now watch an animated video related to the format of a table and its components. Let's have a look.
Tabulation of data and parts of a table. In this module, you will learn about the different components of a table and differences between classification and tabulation of data. One of the simplest ways of presenting data is in the form of tables, where data is presented in rows and columns along with some explanatory notes. The major parts of a statistical table are table number, title, captions and stubs, body of table, head note, footnote and source. When these parts are put together in a systematic manner, they form a table. It is very necessary to make a rough draft of the table before the figures are actually entered into it. This is done to minimize the chances of mistakes. Table number may be numbered at the top or at the beginning of a table and is used for reference and proper identification in future. Normally, the table number is given in terms of a complete number. Sometimes, table number like 1.1, 1.2 etc. are also used. In this case, the first digit refers to the chapter or section and the second digit indicates its order. For example, table 1.4 would mean the fourth table in the first chapter or first section. The title finds its place succeeding the table number or just below it. It should be clear, brief and self-explanatory so that there is no misinterpretation of data. Captions are the headings given to the vertical columns, while headings given to horizontal rows are called stubs. Both captions and stubs should be brief, descriptive and clearly defined. prefatory note or head note is a statement given below the title of a table, and it explains the contents of a table or main part of it. Footnote is placed at the bottom of a table and clarifies certain parts of a table. If the reader is unable to understand from the title, captions or stubs, footnotes are used. Source is generally given at the bottom of a table. It is a brief statement or phrase indicating the source of data presented in the table. If more than one source is used, all of them need to be mentioned. Classification is a method of statistical analysis, whereas tabulation is a method of presentation of data. In the process of classification, original data is used. In tabulation, however, both types of data, original and derivatives, are used. Let us recall what we have learned. The process of arranging data orderly in the form of rows and columns is known as tabulation. The major parts of a statistical table are table number, title, captions and stubs, body of a table, head note, footnote and source. There exist several differences between tabulation and classification of data. Number 1. Classification forms the basis of tabulation, whereas tabulation is a step after classification. Number 2. Classification is a method of statistical analysis, whereas tabulation is a method of presentation of data. Number 3. Under classification, collected data is classified into different groups and subgroups, whereas in the process of tabulation, organized data is divided into different captions and stubs. Number 4. In the process of classification, original data is used. In tabulation, however, both types of data, original and derivatives, are used.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।